best camping showers. Hello, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing great. So, here I'm back with another exciting video. And today, I will let you know about the best camping showers. Camping showers are basic needs for road trips adventures. So it is great to have the best one with you for a comfortable experience. So, without any further delay, let's start with the video. And yes, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And also, do not forget to press the bell icon for future videos notifications. Now, let's check what we have at number 1. I'm sure you're gonna like today's list. Number 1. Yakima Road Shower. As the very last automobile accessory for camping, weekend warriors, and riders, the Yakima Road Shower makes its first appearance. This unique powder-coated aluminum tube mounts on a roof rack, following you wherever you go, and heating water by sitting on the core of your vehicle. It provides force as excessive as a normal backyard hose, and as the tank empties and the strength lessens, you can rapidly and effortlessly top up with a normal air pump like the one you purchased for your bike. Once it is on your car, there may be no setup required. Really unhook the hose from the aspect of the tank and spray liberally. Filling up with the hose is easy. However, if you do not have an approach to one, it can be opened on the crest and filled up with a hand, then pressurized with an air pump. And if there is no pump, you can leave the cap open and you will nevertheless be capable to use it, even though the trickle you may get is higher for rinsing dishes and splashing your face than cleansing your sandy kayak. Additionally, the covered nozzle works simply like a popular hose head. This is something that you require for cleaning gear, rinsing feet, or to muddying the dog. However, it is not notable for a proper shower. You may likely prefer the Yakima Road Shower Flex Head, which we additionally tested, giving you an environmentally friendly experience of the messily close to the car shower. It's also possible to notice that the force drops precipitously when you fill up a domestic without the pump, and that using a short hose by pump to refill the tank can be challenging. These matters aside, this is an appropriate alternative for these who are constantly on the go, and if the 4-gallon model isn't always huge sufficient for you. 7 and 10-gallon variations are additionally available. Now let's move towards the next one and check what we have at number 2 for you guys. Number 2. Nemo Helio Pressure Shower. With a special combo of performance and portability, the Nemo Helio Pressure Shower is an incredibly versatile tenting bath that's superb for so a lot greater than simply camping. The foot pump of this pressure shower provides proper force besides taking your palms away from anything you are cleaning. With a slim shower head, the 2.9-gallon ability lasts a pretty extended time. Its nozzle is no longer not like a kitchen sink sprayer, assisting the Helio effortlessly smooth all sorts of matters from puppies to dishes. Its long, low structure with 4 small FT maintains it secure and helps it warm up pretty shortly in the sun. Packing down to a fraction of its assembled dimension and built of lightweight but long-lasting materials, the Helio is additionally incredibly portable. The modern model of this portable camping shower has constant many of the nitpicky problems we had with preceding versions. The opening is nonetheless slim, however, now placed in a slot that works like a funnel. Filling and sealing the cap takes some getting used to, however, it rapidly turns into convenient after a few practices. The sprayer nozzle is narrower than many extra traditional shaped shower heads, but gives a soft, regular flow that is satisfying and convenient to use. Between its packability and versatility, we have difficulty coming up with a scenario in which this bath is not useful. Now, let's check the third one. Do let me know about your favorite one in the comment section. Number 3. Evasion Portable Shower. If all you require is a bucket and a completely charged battery, and you can carry the comforts of your domestic bathing into the outside with the Evasion Portable. It's not just solely one of the most comfortable, constantly forced showers we tested, it is additionally amongst the least expensive. It's impressively convenient to use, with a user-friendly format that makes you surprised why you did not purchase one years ago. The battery is housed inside the pump, effortlessly recharging with a USB wire in a few hours to provide an enjoyable runtime of around 50 minutes. The broad bath head and flexible hose make it first class to rinse with and painless to bathe squirming pets or children. Of course, no longer all required substances are covered. You will require your very own USB adapter and a bucket to maintain water. And with an impressively excessive price of drift 1.2 gallons per minute, you are more likely to run out of water earlier than battery power. But if you do not excuse repurposing a cooler or empty bucket, putting this bathe up on the outside is a cinch. We have some concerns about the charging port position below a plastic cap on the pump housing. Fully submerging this looks like a tempting destiny if you neglect to impenetrable the cap even simply as soon as or if you damage it. We would also love to see a bit longer hose, as this is merely shy of 6 feet. Now, let us check out the next one and see what we have at number 4. Number 4. SeaToSummit Pocket Shower. Stowed away in its little sub 6-inch case and weighing simply a few oz in your pack, the SeaToSummit Pocket Shower appears tiny. However, do not be fooled. This version unrolls into a 2.6-gallon dry bag style shower. Its giant open peak makes scooping water straight out of an exceptional lake simple, and with a few rolls and a clip, the entirety is prepared to go. The black exterior does a proper job soaking up the noon solar to grant a cozy afternoon shower. An easy twisting nozzle proper on the backside of the bag with useful instructions printed after it makes bath time a cinch. It additionally comes with an extensive size of parachute twine for striking in a tree. Even though getting to know some key knots like a trucker's hitch, for example, will make this technique easier. And yes, the weight of that wire is covered in this model's 4.7-ounce statistic, as is the storage bag. As challenging as we tried, we couldn't end ours from leaking ever so barely from the peak roll as it laid on its side, heating in the sun. It did not appear to make a dent in how lots water it held, though, so we tried no longer to fear it too much. Once this element is full of water, it weighs around 22 pounds, which is much less than enjoyable to hoist over your head, but lighter than most large competitors. The overall performance of this easy gravity bathe in an itty-bitty ultralight bundle makes this an exceptional way to degree up your subsequent backpacking trip. Number 5. Camplux Pro Series 6L Shower. The Camplux Pro Series 6L is an affordable alternative for every person who's usually desired a portable campaign shower. This semi-portable unit requires a semi-permanent out-of-doors setup that consists of an impenetrable mount, a giant propane tank, a backyard hose, water inlet line, and 2D batteries. Although the initial setup is time-consuming, once it's ready, this integral little unit right away converts bloodless hose water into a variety of temperature-controlled bathing temperatures, all at easily adjustable pressures that can all be finely adjusted at the touch of 2 knobs. It has an extensive bath head that competitors the ones in our bathrooms, 3 modes that make it simply as convenient to smooth the children as the dog, and an easy on/off swap proper through your hand. Because it requires such an impervious mount, a large propane tank, and a regular provide of sparkling water through the hose, this is not an off-grid tending shower. It's more suitable for everlasting or semi-permanent mounting outdoors by using your pool or possibly rigged up subsequent to your RV in a campground with hookups. Suppose you have desired an out-of-doors bathing that may not price lots to install. In that case, the Camplux Pro is an extraordinary alternative for a virtually luxurious outside bathing experience. This is it for today. I hope you like these shared items of portable showers. If yes, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon with another interesting video. Till that, make sure to subscribe and share this channel. Links of all the shared products are given in the description box, so you can check them for further details.